Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
No, you don't necessarily have to pay for ringtones on Zedge. The app provides a vast selection of free ringtones and wallpapers for users. However, there is a premium section featuring exclusive content that requires payment. Users can access free content by browsing the app or website, and if desired, opt for premium content for a wider range of options.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.